Hello.
Good evening.
Sorry because my file my homework can save. It had a big problem.
I
But
think you should. What?
my file can save my file can save.
You
So
mean you couldn't save your file?
no, it's had a big problem.
Yeah, you couldn't save your file. Con không lưu được file
I
đúng không?
saved it, but it's not.
You saved it, but you didn't send it back to me.
But it's not. It's yeah. Sorry.
I think you should download it.
But
Cô nghĩ là
until
con nên tải nó xuống thì hơn. Ừ.
I just will con có tải mà cô.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. But remember to send it back to me. Yeah. Or you can take a capture. Hoặc là con có thể chụp màn hình mà. Yeah. Yeah. But we have to finish our last lesson. Last time we stopped here. Mm. We finished this one. Now, can you read the transcript? Mm. Mm. There are six dialogues. No, eight dialogues.
Very big. Man, okay, where are you? I'll have to buy some shoes. What about you? I'm hungry and want some to get the sandwiches. Oh, well, let's meet her in half an hour. Okay, that's perfect. What are these? They're crocodiles. They are moving too much. They're not. No, come on. Let's go and see the money. Which gate is it? I'm not sure. Is it our fault? Is it BA 479? Yes, it's E. BA 479 to Barcelona. And it's gate 15 and it's boarding now. Come on. Excuse me. Where's an Akinet? Wait, go. Phần
Yes?
viết của con đâu?
Here. Sorry.
Wait, cô, từ về đọc phát âm như nào cô?
Can you say ancient?
Ancient Greek. It's on the first floor. It's ancient Egypt. Thank you. Oh, and what time do you close? At 5 o'clock. Right. Time. Boy. Bother, please. Hurry up. The film is starting. And some chocolate peanut. Oh, they are sweet. I'm going. Have you got my ticket? Just a moment. Mr. Williams, your leg is fine now. You can go home. Really? Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. But I can walk well. You just need a field day at home. Can you speak to the doctor? I am a doctor. Can I help you? Yes, I'd like to send it to Australia. Hmm, it's very heavy. Let's do it quickly. Yes, it does. It's very expensive. Yes, it is. 64.7 pound. And it takes 4 days to get there. How much? Can I help you? Hello? I'm looking for a book on Mongolia. The travel section is over there, near the window. Thank you. When are you going? Now. Mean to Rosalind. Oh, I'm not. Just I'm not reading about their place.
These places. Mm. Can you say these places? Đọc lại cái từ này cho cô. These places.
These places.
Mm.
Wait, con chút việc cô ơi. Wait.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Um,
I am from Cali.
where where you said you
Cali.
came from?
I'm from Cali because I I hate Vietnam.
Why? Why do you hate Vietnam? And
Because Vietnamese occupation of South Vietnam.
I I don't think you're wrong about that. But oh yeah, sorry. No, nothing. No. But you shouldn't. California people aren't
I
that good.
yes, it's not good too.
Next, ask and answer questions using phrases from task one. Um, Where do people go to report a crime? Bây giờ cô sẽ hỏi, sau đó con sẽ trả lời là people go to. Where
Report
do
the crime.
people, yeah,
Report the crime là gì hả cô?
report a crime là
Báo cáo là gì hả cô?
báo cáo tội phạm. No,
Nhắm
so
mắt lại. Thank you. Nhắm mắt lại. Hôn vào tay.
now, where do people go to report a crime?
Police official station.
À,
I am a crime. I am crime. Quay cô, đang truy nã thì anh
yeah.
là gì hả? Đang truy nã thì anh là gì hả cô?
Uh, what?
Đang truy nã thì anh là gì hả cô?
You mean ý con là đang truy nã?
Vâng. Đang bị truy nã.
Oh, um, là nó là to be wanted.
Do I am to be watching by police
No,
because
you
I
say
kill I killed people.
I'm wanted by the police.
I wanted by the police
Yeah.
because I I stole money in the bank and killed my mom. So
No,
anh chỉ đùa thôi mà.
no, it's not something to joke about.
But we don't have to stay in school because
I know it's a game. Mm. Where do people go to do some exercise? No, you have to say people go to.
yes,
Con phải
I know.
nè,
Buy some new clothes.
people
Um,
go to
center.
a shopping center, not center, shopping center.
I can see shopping center.
Here, shopping center.
This is American English and this is Canadian English.
We're using British English.
I don't like
Six, where do people go to play football or have a picnic?
But I think having a picnic in the park is not because the park is very small. So um, I'm agree having a picnic in the forest or the Lost Island.
But I think the
Very
forest
scary.
is too wet. Yeah.
No, I went to the can I in the desert.
No, 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 no. I don't want to have a picnic um at the desert. No. It's
10
too
pounds to
hot.
dollar. Wait, 10 pounds to dollar.
Change là thay đổi. Yeah. Pounds into dollars.
Why UK didn't issue euro?
You mean euros?
Tức là nước Anh không sử dụng tiền tệ tên
Yeah.
là tên là euro mà là dùng bảng Anh.
They use pounds. They don't use
Because
euros.
but UK is in Europe
Yeah,
and UK
I know that the English, no, the United Kingdom is a part of Europe. Yeah, it's a part of Europe, but they don't use no, they don't use euros. Euros là tiền của khối um, cộng đồng chung châu Âu. Nhưng mà, let's see. The English wants to
and
have their own currency.
the UK is very poor.
No, they're not poor.
The UK is very
They're not rich now,
but
but
they
they're
are
not
rich.
poor.
But they are in but they are rich. But they are the rich equal in United States.
They used to
The
be
United
really
States
rich.
is a part of United States is a part of color is the British colonial empire, but the United States is richer.
Yeah, United
Why
States
is
now is
very
because they sold weapons during World War II. Since then, they became very rich. Mm.
War Two is the very bad year because German rich
Oh,
is Nazi Germany
please wait
by
for a
Adolf
moment. Nào,
Hitler
please
make.
wait for a moment. Chờ cô một chút nhé. Chờ cô
But
một chút.
that's why Hitler is very bad. Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah, I said wait me a minute. Cô bảo chờ cô một chút mà. Yeah, yeah.
Wait a minute, I'm thinking.
Mm, okay. Wait, wait a minute, please.
What is the photo of blue vehicle, blue Cairo, Baghdad, or Istanbul? I don't know. In Cairo.
Here. Mm.
Thank you. Tom.
Now just answer the question.
Moscow là vehicle.
Mask. Now we study this word. Mình đã học từ này từ buổi trước rồi.
Nhà thờ Hồi giáo.
Yes.
Cairo, Baghdad là thủ đô của nước nào?
Istanbul. No, no. But I don't remember. But I know it's the bull. Mm. And yeah,
It's
I think we can
no,
skip this
it's
one.
not. It's kind.
Yeah. Mm.
Dubai.
Dubai. No, it's not. No. There is and there are. Do you remember how to use there is and there are? Mm.
Sẽ chúng nó số chúng ít còn sẽ số số chúng nhiều á.
Dùng với số ít và số nhiều. Yeah. Okay. Mm. Next.
Do you
No.
like avocado or plus some salt or
Um, I like eating avocado with salmon. Mm. But
salmon? It's
yeah,
very bad.
but they're expensive. They're really expensive. Now, listen to a teenager describing his town. Complete the sentences with there's, there are, there isn't, and there aren't. Now, first, look at the sentences. Mm. Are you ready?
Yes, let's
Yeah.
go.
Let's listen.
Lesson 5A, exercises 7 and 9.
Wait,
Do you
wait.
like the town you live in?
What?
Okay, wait. Okay.
Yes, I do. It isn't a very big town, and there isn't a lot to do, really. Not for people like me. For example, the gym is great. It's right in the centre of town, opposite the town hall. But it costs about £100 a month to be a member, and it hasn't got a swimming pool. In fact, there isn't a swimming pool in my town. You have to go 20 kilometres to the next town to have a swim. But at least there's a park, so I can play football with my friends. It isn't in the centre, it's on the edge of town, next to the station. I mean the bus station. There aren't any trains. I don't live close to the park, so it's a long walk.
What about shops? Is it a good place to go shopping?
Well, there aren't many shops in the centre of town. There are a few banks and a small supermarket, and that's it. Nearly all of the shops are in the shopping centre, and that's outside the town. There's a cinema inside the shopping centre, and I go there quite often. Our house is between the town and the shopping centre, so it's easy for me to go there by bus. The bus stop is very
No, we have to finish listening.
near my
Con tới
house,
con tới
but
mình
the
một chút
bus
đã.
is expensive.
Stop! It sounds like a...
What did she say?
Cho con tắt đi một chút được không cô?
Okay,
Không,
yeah.
tất cả một tí thôi.
Yes.
Okay.
a terrible place to live.
Let's check your answer.
How many?
There are a few banks. Well,
But
because they're plural. Bởi vì banks là số nhiều đấy mà.
when we can use there are in the when a fail in the right.
What?
We can either aren't or aren't at the fail and or some. All right.
A fail or some? What do you mean?
Tức là con có thể sử dụng con có thể sử dụng there aren't they are ở chỗ A nếu mà có ở sau từ A có từ fail.
Tại
À,
fail là như nào?
tức là ý con là thế.
Cái từ fail là từ gì?
A fail nếu mà chúng ta có thể dùng từ there
A
are
few.
a few. Why
Not
did
a fail. A few. A few. You
how
said
make
fail.
out?
A few. Sau a few phải là số nhiều, mà số nhiều chỉ dùng với there are hoặc there aren't thôi. Nó không dùng
Yes,
với there is số ít.
yes.
Ừ. And there isn't a cinema in the town. Ừ. Listen again. Um, about the cinema in the town.
Lesson 5.
So it's easy for me to go there by bus. The bus stop is very near my house, but the bus is expensive. There's a cinema inside the shopping centre,
There is a cinema out inside the shopping center.
and I go there quite often.
Mm.
Our house is between.
No, we have to see where the shopping center is.
The town is
Shopping?
very
Well, there aren't many shops in the centre of town.
There aren't many shops in the center of town. Không có nhiều ở trong trung tâm thị trấn.
There are a few banks and a small supermarket, and that's it. Nearly all of the shops are in the shopping centre,
Gần như tất cả các cửa hàng thì đều ở trong trung tâm thương mại.
and that's outside the town.
And that's outside the town. Và nó bên ngoài thị trấn.
There's a cinema inside the shopping centre,
There's a cinema inside the shopping center. Có một rạp chiếu phim ở trong trung tâm thương mại. Thế thì cái rạp chiếu phim đấy nó phải bên ngoài thị trấn. Next. Check the meaning of the prepositions of place below. Find two pairs of opposites and one pair which mean the same.
pair of opposite.
Two pairs of opposites.
One pair is when same.
Mm. Look at the prepositions here. Are there any new words?
Opposite.
Opposite là đối diện, trái ngược.
Or
Inside and in. They're the
bên trong.
same, bởi vì nó là một từ mà sao con lại bảo là phải là cái từ khác chứ.
That's good. 5 of the 10 tacky creeps. Creeps being juicy looking for when it's day up. Super spicy, it's a level 10.
Any new words? Cô hỏi
Not
có từ nào mới không?
prefer paston.
Prepositions là giới từ.
Not. Not.
Not inside and in. Nó là một cặp từ rồi. Nó là một. Bây giờ con phải tìm xem nó có nghĩa trái ngược. Cặp nghĩa trái ngược cơ.
Inside
Cặp.
outside.
Yeah. Which mean the same. Tiếp theo là hai cái từ nó có nghĩa giống nhau.
Opposite. Đối diện thì close to.
Close to and. Close to là gần. Opposite là đối diện, nó có giống nhau đâu.
Gặp lại em nói chứ.
Close to and near. Cả hai từ này đều là gần. Next. Listen again and answer the questions. I give you some time to look at the questions first.
Town hall. I can remember town hall.
Tòa thị chính.
Tòa thị chính. Tòa thị chính. Nhưng mà bên trong tòa thị chính có gì hả cô?
Nó nhắc lại cho cô biết opposite là gì.
Là đối diện.
Yeah, thế tại sao con lại bảo trong đây có cái gì?
In the town hall. Yeah. Is the apartment.
What is the town hall opposite?
Đối diện của town hall.
Yes. Number 2.
What is the park next to? Tức là tức là tức là um, đây là công viên cái công viên
Công viên gần cái gì? Công viên bên cạnh cái gì? 3.
is the shopping center in the town or outside the, tức là trung tâm thương mại nằm ở bên trong khu khu này.
Ở bên trong thị trấn hay bên ngoài thị trấn?
No, the village is town.
Number 4.
What is the inside the shopping center? Tức là bên trong cái gì bên trong trong
Trung tâm thương mại. 5.
whether the speaker live, tức là
Speaker
là
leave. Không phải
speaker
live.
tức là đâu chỗ nào mà đài phát thanh
Speaker là người nói.
đâu, nơi nào mà có người nói.
Người
What?
nói sống
What
ở
is
đâu? Cái từ
what is the
live này là sống cơ mà.
oh what is the bus stop close to? Tức là cái chỗ chờ của xe buýt gần ở chỗ nào?
Yes. Now, listen and write your answer.
Lesson 5A. Exercises 7 and 9.
Do you like the town you live in?
Yes, I do. It isn't a very big town, and there isn't a lot to do, really. Not for people like me. For example, the gym is great. It's right in the centre of town, opposite the town hall. But it costs about £100 a month to be a member, and it hasn't got a swimming pool. In fact, there isn't a swimming pool in my town. You have to go 20 kilometres to the next town to have a swim. But at least there's a park, so I can play football with my friends. It isn't in the centre, it's on the edge of town, next to the station. I mean the bus station. There aren't any trains. I don't live close to the park, so it's a long walk.
What about shops? Is it a good place to go shopping?
Well, there aren't many shops in the centre of town. There are a few banks and a small supermarket, and that's it. Nearly all of the shops are in the shopping centre, and that's outside the town. There's a cinema inside the shopping centre, and I go there quite often. Our house is between the town and the shopping centre, so it's easy for me to go there by bus. The bus stop is very near my house, but the bus is expensive.
Stop! It sounds like a terrible place to live.
Five and 6.
này.
Let's check. First, you have to rewrite your answers. Con phải viết lại câu trả lời của con. What is the town hall opposite? So you have to write it's opposite the gym. Now,
But
number
I
two.
like it.
No, you
Yeah,
can't.
the box is next to the bus station.
It's next to the bus station. 3.
The shopping center is outside town.
You can just say it's outside town. 4.
What is inside the shopping center is the cinema.
There's a cinema inside the shopping center. 5. Between the house. Ở giữa ngôi nhà. Sao ở giữa ngôi nhà? Con phải ở giữa hai cái vật gì đấy chứ. Listen again.
Lesson 5A.
In the centre of town, it. Nearly all of the shops are in the shopping centre, and that's outside the town. There's a cinema inside the shopping centre, and I go there quite often. Our house is between the town and the shopping centre.
Our house is between.
Wait, cô ơi đừng sửa cô ơi.
Our house, nhà của chúng tôi. Ở giữa cái gì chứ? Tại sao nhà giữa ngôi nhà với lại cái trung tâm thương mại được? Con nghe lại đi.
So it's easy for me there quite often. Our house is between the town and the shopping centre.
Between our house and shopping center.
Con nghe lại này.
Our house is between the town and the shopping centre.
Cái câu của người ta là Our house is between the town and the shopping center. Nhà của chúng tôi ở giữa thị trấn và trung tâm thương mại. Thế thì câu trả lời của con phải là He lives between the town and the shopping center, hoặc là his house is between the town and the shopping center. Thế tại sao lại giữa căn nhà với lại trung tâm thương mại được? Người ta đang hỏi là cái nhà của cái người nói này đang ở đâu cơ mà.
Oh, sorry, I don't remember.
So it's easy
Number 6.
for me to go there by bus. The bus stop is very near my house.
The bus stop is very near my house. Cái điểm dừng xe buýt thì rất gần ở nhà tôi. Thế thì câu này nó phải là it's close to his house. Nó ở gần nhà của cậu ấy.
Sorry, what's his name?
We don't know his name. So we just say his house or the speaker's house.
Yes.
Can you read the transcript?
Do you like town? Would you like in? Yes, I do. This isn't a very big town, and there isn't a lot to do really. Not for people like me. For example, the gym is great. It's right in the center of town, opposite the town hall. But it costs about £100 a month and to be member. and it hasn't got a swimming pool. In fact, there isn't a swimming pool in my town. You have to go 20 kilometers to the next town to have a swim. But at least there a park so I can play football with my friend. It isn't in the central. It's on the edge of town, next to the station. I mean the bus station. There aren't any train. I'd like to go to the park, so it's long walks. What about shop? Is it is a good place to go shopping? Well, there aren't many shops in the center of town. There are a few banks and a small supermarket, and that's it. Nearly of the shop near outside the town. There's a cinema inside the shopping center, and I go there quite often. A house between the town and the shopping center. So it's easy for me and to go there by bus. The bus stop is very near my house, but the bus is expensive. Stop! It sounds like a terrible place to live.
Next, vocabulary. Listen and repeat.
Get in.
Can you say get in?
Get in.
Ừ.
Get in.
Get in là đi lên một cái phương tiện nào đó. Ừ. Next. Can you say
Go up.
Go up.
go up? Đi lên. Nhưng mà cái đi
Go
lên
over something.
tức là đi lên một cái nơi mà cao hơn nhé. Đây, cao hơn hoặc là ngược lên phía bắc ấy thì mình sẽ dùng từ go up trong trường hợp này. Ừ. Next.
Yes.
Go by.
Go by.
Ừ. Go by.
Go by.
Trong bài này nhé, cái từ go by nó có nghĩa là đi bằng phương tiện gì đó. Ừ. Go by bus, go by car. Ừ.
Catch.
I go to the dangerous place. But
But catch a bus, a train, a plane. Ừ.
Miss.
miss the line.
Miss. Trong bài này không có nghĩa là nhớ, nó có nghĩa là bỏ lỡ. Ừ.
Cross.
Cross.
Này. Băng qua,
Cross.
băng qua
Băng
đường.
qua.
Cross the street. Này. Băng qua phố. Ừ. Wait for.
Wait for.
Chờ đợi trong.
Chờ đợi ai hoặc cái gì đó. Ừ.
Yes.
Ừ. Complete the sentences with the verbs below. Use the correct form. Nhớ là
Say
sử dụng
goodbye.
what?
In last to say goodbye. How you
Yeah.
go, please?
Ừ. Nhớ là phải sử dụng đúng cấu trúc của thì nhé. Chia đúng từ, chia đúng động từ. A scooter là xe tay ga. You finished?
Yes.
No, not get on. Nè, con nhớ get on là đi lên. Nè, nhưng mà đi lên những cái phương tiện mà tức là con chỉ có thể get on, con có thể ngồi hoặc đứng ở trên cái phương tiện đấy thì mới là get on. Ừ.
Take.
No, my mom rides a scooter to work. Cái loại xe ga, xe hai bánh đúng
Well,
không? Thì sẽ chỉ có hai bánh thì con phải dùng từ ride. Và đây là thì hiện tại đơn thì phải
yes.
thêm s vào sau động từ. Đây, get in the car. Open the door. Mở cửa ra. Get in the car. Get in là đi lên phương tiện nào đấy. Nhưng mà những cái phương tiện đấy thì con chỉ có thể ngồi thôi. Thì mình sẽ là dùng get in. Get in the car. Put on your seat belt. Đây, get off the
Get
bus.
out the bus.
Get off. Đâu có get out đâu. Đây, get off the bus. Ở trên. Đây. Tôi muốn không phải got to nhé. Đây. I want to go to the town center. Where should I get off the bus? Tôi nên xuống ở đâu? At the next stop. Ở cái trạm dừng tiếp theo. Have to go on foot. Or take a taxi. Cái này là take a taxi. You have to buy before you get on the train. Như cô nói ở bên trên ấy. Đây. Get on là đi lên cái phương tiện nào đấy. Nhưng cái phương tiện đấy con có thể ngồi hoặc đứng được ở trên đấy. Còn get in thì là những cái phương tiện mà con chỉ có thể ngồi ở trên đấy thôi.
Yes.
And oh yeah, it's pretty long. Phần này rất là dài. Mình sẽ làm tiếp phần sau nhé. Okay, bye bye.